Can a studio-grade microphone fit in the palm of your hand? Today we'll turn down the iRig mic studio from IK Multimedia to find out what's really going on inside. This will help you if you want to repair the USB micro socket, replace it, or simply how well this USB microphone is built. So now, let's disassemble this mic.
Thunder calling down my name. Why don't you hear me wonder? Ooh, ooh. Shining just like sun. Why don't you hear me wonder? Ooh, ooh. Tell me, river, where your current flows. Why don't you hear me wonder?